Hello guys and welcome to TechWiki channel. In this video we're going to talk about form, and this is the last part for the HTML series. So let's get started. Form. Form needs an action such as action page .php or Python or anything else, or JavaScript or something like that will send all this information in this form to that server. So we don't have it and we will delete it. Just put action here and method get and post. Let's put it empty for now. We will get back to it, and that's form. Now we need to create its element and its tag inside the form. Create div, label, and every label needs a for f name. This is first name, f name, and first name. Okay, and the second one is we call it input. We need to input something for the label. Type text and the ID that we used for label for ID f name, and name f name, placeholder, something like tech, or first name of everything you like, and save it. And you can see here is the first name and it's a field here. Input creates a field, and if we want to be required, we can type required here. And this is for the first name, and the second name or last name we just copy it, paste, and just change some minor things. Name, last name, 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 and this is the last name. And if we want to make some button here, input type preset, and the next button is div or div input type submit, and Ctrl S. And as you can see, we need to change this placeholder, something like that. If I click on submit, you can see here it's f name and last name. It's not safe for if you want to send this information to a server that it shows like this. It's not a safe thing here. And the default method for the form is to get. We use to get. If we use get, we will see this f name and l name after the question mark in the website or web address. So we use, for the safer method, we use post. If I click and save, let me fill this form again, submit, and let me actually, yeah, that's it, submit. And you won't see those f name and last name here. Is the post method. If you use get method, you will see those things. And get method is, maybe we can use it for search result, that it will be cool if we see our search result here. And if submit, f name and last name. It just append the first name and last name to the URL here. You just put it post or post, yeah, post, because empty one is also get. And next we will use password field. We can define something else here. Maximum length is 12, and required, and also placeholder, password. And if I save, you can see here password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12. That's it. And the next one is the email. And as you can see here, it's email. And the next one is till, again div. Paste them. And the next one is div label for date. If I save, you can see here NNDDYYY, and also you can click on this icon, so you can select a date. The next one is number. You can see this here, and because I put 0 and 99, because we can go minus this quantity, and we shouldn't go over 100, but maybe some place we need to get more than, but this is just to show you, it's a purpose to show you how to set the minimum and maximum. And we need to create another div for the title, and label, Control S. You can see everything is now working, and we can put ID here with Mr. ID here with Mrs. ID here with Miss. If you save it, if you click on this one, after the button will be clickable, and you can put a label here if you want. Title. We need to send receipt and submit in the last div, after the last div, and we need to put BR in between. If I save, that's it. It's really cool and it's more readable. And we need to change here. Because I don't want it to interfere with this here. The next one, we use the drop-down menu. And Ctrl S, and you can see payment options, drop down menu, MasterCard, PayPal. The next one is the checkbox, and actually it is the last one. The type defines the type of the object we are using here. As you can see, type checkbox, type reset, type submit. For payments, we use select, we use type radio, type number, date, and so on. And you can see, I forgot about the VR. Okay, and as you can see, it is checkable. Thank you for your watching. I hope you like this series. If you like this series, hit the like button and subscribe, and wait for the next series about CSS and JavaScript, Python, and other series. But the next one will be CSS and the framework Flex and Green. Again, thank you for your watching.